Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use and activate Great Runes in Elden Ring. To obtain Great Runes, defeat mainline bosses to receive Great Runes, which will be stored in your inventory. After defeating a boss, locate the nearby Divine Tower. Now, search for the altar corresponding to your Great Rune. For example, for Godric's Great Rune, go to Divine Tower of Limgrave. Climb to the top and interact with the altar to activate it. Now, all you have to do is to get the Rune Arc. Just acquire Rune Arcs from loot crates or vendors in Round Table Hold and Lurnia of the Lakes to gain benefits of the Great Runes. But just remember, activating runes is not enough, because you get the real benefit, namely the passive effects of runes. Then you also need a Rune Arc. Rune Arc itself is a rune that is very rare but can still be found. The method can be through loot crates. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.